This is the Vaultek Lifepod. It comes with an instruction manual, a tethering lanyard, and keys. The keypad has capacitive sensors in it, so to open this you tap the padlock icon and that wakes up the circuitry. I'll tap it again and then enter the access code. The reset button is located right here, and over here is a knob you can turn with a screwdriver or a coin that will block the use of the bypass lock. So I'm not going to talk about the lock. It's a micro bore tubular lock that's easy enough to pick, but with the ability to block the use of it, I'm not really that concerned about it. The latching mechanism inside this involves a bar that a motor drives open and closed. So the piece that's holding the lid closed is held in place by the motor's gearing. That means I can't pick this up, undo the clasps on the side, and throw it open. To lock this, you tap the padlock icon and hold your finger on it for a few seconds, and the thing locks itself. Now to address the elephant in the room, as they say. This thing is made out of plastic. Whoever advised Vaultek on the alloy they used did a good job. I've been testing this out with a variety of common solvents, amyl acetate, acetone, different blends of paint thinners and lacquer thinners, and this plastic has resisted all of it. So that tells me this has a vinyl component, and that also means that gun cleaning solutions and gun oils won't harm this. But the fact remains, if somebody steals this, cuts the cable or the lanyard, that person owns the contents. You can cut this. You could drill a hole right here and then reach in with a screwdriver and push the latching bar out of the way. And to answer the question I've been asked, yes, you could break into this without damaging it. If I undo these clasps on the sides, you can see here the lid has quite a bit of play in it. So what I'm going to do is insert a screwdriver right here. And now I'm going to insert a piece of metal shim. This is a bristle from a street sweeping machine that I picked up by the side of the road. And what I'm going to try to do is find that reset button. This is the hardest part of the operation. And that's it. The damage is done. The default access code is no longer valid. And here is the new access code.